everyone! Guys, good afternoon. Ngayon pa lang mag-start yung vlog natin. And hello! Happy Tuesday! It's our second day sa ating bakasyon dito sa Mallorca. And yeah, mag-stay kami dito until bukas. And then babalik kami sa Oslo sa Webes. But yeah, today is just a chill day, kaya hindi ako masyado nag-vlog. Kasi wala lang, gusto ko lang chill. Tsaka yung kasama ko, baka mamaya maano na siya na. Lagi ako nag-video daw, okay naman sa kanya. But yeah, so today is just a chill day. I think it's 2:00 na ng hapon. Nag-start kami magpa-araw is mga 1:00 or 12:30 something. And magsuswimming sana kami kasi sobrang init na. Kaso, sarado yung pool. So, mamaya na lang. And yeah, hinaantay ko siya nag-order ng pagkain. Okay lang yung init. Hindi masyadong mainit sa balat. Pero ramdam ko na nagtan yung balat ko. But yeah, it's fine. Pero ang ganda ng Mallorca, guys. Alam niyo kung lilipat ako, parang mas bet ko dito sa Mallorca. I don't know. Kasi malapit sa beach. Ito kami nagstay sa Leonardo Royal Hotel. And yeah, free na yung breakfast. Mamaya i-room tour ko kayo.
Columns underneath the Pantheon dome, oval with a pen in the heart of Rome. Julius in purple with the laurel on. Every quest he lives is legend by dawn. Spill the wine, spill the sea.
Hi everyone. So, magdi-dinner kami tonight kasi kapag nag-travel kami, meron kaming one night na parang mag-dress up kami. Pero parang lagi naman kami naka-dress up. But yeah, it's 7:30 ng gabi and yeah, we're going out for dinner. Dapat kanina pa pero medyo tinoyo si Monique kaya medyo late na kami lalabas.
Bright sketch the Colosseum glances, ink on pages by the fire. Of bacchanalian dances, cut the deal, cut the road, take the gate, keep the throne, move the pieces, name the days, etch the future into stone. Some people just know what to say, philosophizing on a page at a cafe. Some people just know what to do, perpetual running, always chasing the view. Live it up, write it down. Don't blame the players, blame the builders of the first town. And we all end up quoting our mothers. What would the world be without the writers and lovers?
Hi everyone! Happy Wednesday! And yeah, dito yung hotel namin. Leonardo Royal. That's the building. Actually, dalawang building siya. Dito yung kabila. Pero dito kami sa kabila. Yeah, dito ako sa labas ngayon. Waiting for Eric kasi nakalimutan niya yung cup niya. So, bumalik siya dun sa taas. And yeah. And it's, I think, magtutunan ng hapon. Pupunta muna kami sa beach. Sa wakas, mapagbibigyan si Monique. Maliligo kami. As after is, mamaya, mga 3:00 is magkakaya kami. Free naman siya. Kasama na siya sa binayaran namin dito sa hotel. So, yeah. Mabuti nang i-try natin.
Writers and lovers by the foreign ruins under July skies.
Guys, we're here sa may terrace ng hotel. Andun yung lobby. Andun siya. Nagtitake ng picture. Nainggit sa akin kahapon. Pero ang ganda. Guys, diyan kami nagpa-araw kahapon. Pero walang masyadong tao. Pero siguro dahil it's mag-2:00 na ng hapon. But yeah. Ang ganda.
Heat of the moment into lovers' eyes. Marble on their sneakers and bars on their dust. A pen in a diary, keeping what it was. Same book, different pages, iterating through the ages. Different tools, different fools, but nothing ever truly changes. Same roles, different actors, the spectators in the rafters. A tale as old as time, and now it's also mine.
dinner sa hotel. Mas mura na guys kaysa kahapon. Kasi kahapon, na-rob kami kahapon. But at least we have everything here. There's a lot of choices than yesterday.
What would the world be without the writers and lovers? The writers and lovers. Say it's love, it's power, it's nature, it's art. You do it for the story, or you do it for the start. Say it's love, it's power, it's nature, it's art. You do it for the story, or you do it for the
Hi everyone! Good morning guys! Today our last day. And yeah, kahapon, hindi ko na kayo naisama sa kayak namin kasi I was scared na magkayak. Pero chill lang naman pala siya and scared din ako baka malaglag yung phone ko sa dagat. But yeah, it was fun. Medyo nakakatakot lang nakarating na kami sa gitna. Medyo gitna ng dagat kasi black na yung tingin ko sa water. So yeah, but all in all, it was fun. And yeah, sana dinala ko yung phone ko, diba? Para naisama ko din kayo. Maybe next time. Yeah, but today is our last day. Is mag-check out na kami soon. And yeah, bago tayo mag-check out, mag-room tour tayo ng very, very light. Late na yung room tour ko kasi nahihiya talaga ako mag-video kapag kasama siya. And yeah, simulan na natin. Habang nasa shower siya. Okay guys, so this is our bed na makalat na, syempre. May pa-lighting dyan. And yan yung entrance. Double bed siya guys, gumagalaw kaya ang pangit. But anyway, may pa-lighting siya dyan. And yeah, ang pangit nga lang sa bed na to kasi parang gumagalaw siya. Alam mo yun, naghihiwala yung bed. And yeah, sa harap ng bed is meron siyang TV and yeah, the mirror. Yan, kalat. And meron din silang cabinet. Like this. Yun nga lang, mahirap siya open. Ayan, hangers, and then safety box. At then, ito, mga drawers. Wala naman laman na. And then, ito, connected dun sa my living room. Bagay na need mo ilagay. This is the entrance and our kalat. And pagpasok mo dito, makikita mo dito yung toilet andyan. Pero yung sink guys, nandito sa labas. Oh, excuse me sa music. But yeah, ayan yung sink and the mirror. And may kitchen dito na hindi naman namin nagamit. May lutuan din siya. And may mga gamit din siya sa loob. Kutsara. And ayan, mga baso na dinala niya galing sa kitchen kapag breakfast. And then may microwave oven din sila. May TV. And then the couch. And then, yeah, may maliit na table and the kalat. And kapag inopen natin tong door, meron kaming terrace. Yeah, that's the terrace. Tada! Yeah, doon kami nag-swimming kahapon sa dagat. So, yun lang guys. Yun lang guys ang ating short room tour. Dalawang building ang hotel namin. Dito kami sa side na to. And then, the next side is, ayun, yung building na yun. Mas maganda yung view dyan guys kasi makikita nyo yung buong dagat. As in. But yeah, we're gonna check out soon na doon. And wish ko sana mag-stay pa kami ng mas matagal. Pero yeah, kailangan natin bumalik sa totoong buhay. Tapos na ang Philippines. Kailangan natin bumalik sa real.
The writers and